Today we will be speaking about different cryptocurrencies and different blockchains. As you know that blockchain is the basic underlying technology in which there is a token known as the cryptocurrency. Therefore, today in the world around 1400 different blockchains exist and each of these blockchains has its own cryptocurrency. Today we will be talking in depth about three of them. The first one and the biggest blockchain, that is the Bitcoin. It was the first blockchain to be developed in 2008 and it was developed by a group of anonymous developers. They have a pseudonym called as Satoshi Nakamoto. The main utility or the main purpose with which this blockchain was created is to facilitate cross-border transactions with ease and less cost. Today the market cap of all the Bitcoins, that is the cryptocurrency on this blockchain, put together is approximately $300 billion. So that makes it the biggest currency as well. The next one that I want to discuss is the Ethereum blockchain. Now Ethereum blockchain, the cryptocurrency is called Ether. Now this blockchain was developed in 2015 and this blockchain is considered as one of the most promising blockchains there is. Why? Because it works on something called as a smart contract. Now what is a smart contract? A smart contract is an automated contract which checks that whether the conditions in the contract specified are met or not met, and according to that payment is released. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say I enter into a contract with some developer that he has to design and make my website live by 15th of January 2008, and I also define the things I need, like I need certain number of pages, the content on those pages, etc, etc. Now on 15th of January 2018, end of day, this smart contract will check whether this website is live, whether all the features that were mentioned are there or not there, and then automatically decide whether it needs to release the payment or not. Well, it sounds very similar to a contingent contract, but it is automated. And because it is automated, it is a very, very powerful idea and holds a lot of potential to simplify a lot of things in the world. Today on Ethereum, the applications for this blockchain range from voting to notary services and everything in between. If you are really interested in knowing the kind of projects that are possible with Ethereum, a lot of live pilots are running on the website. You can check them out. The total market cap of Ethers today stands at approximately $70 billion, which makes it the second largest cryptocurrency in the world. Next, let's talk about Mycelia. Now, Mycelia is a blockchain that is under development. The cryptocurrencies of Mycelia are yet not traded, but it is a very interesting idea. The idea behind Mycelia is that it is a blockchain that helps musicians and other artists to protect their intellectual property as well as monetize it in an effective manner. Let me give you an example. Today, if I am a budding artist and if I, let's say, make a video or sing a song, I put it on YouTube, I get a lot of views and obviously I can monetize it. But at the same time, there will be 100 other copycats who will make remixes, different mixes of this song and earn their own money. Well, originally this song is my IP and I should be getting a share of these remixes, but today that does not happen. Now Mycelia actually protects your IP and ensures that such a thing does not happen, as well as it allows you to monetize your own intellectual property by directly selling it to the customer based on streams or lifetime downloads, or if you want your song in a movie, it is priced accordingly. All those kind of iterations are possible in the Mycelia smart contracts. So again, it is a very exciting idea that if it is really implemented well, it can open a lot of doors for the artist community. Well, this is it about the three interesting cryptocurrencies that we discussed. one more piece of information that I want to share is how are these cryptocurrencies quoted. Now, Ether or any other cryptocurrency like Litecoin, Ripple, etc., they are all quoted and traded in terms of bitcoins. So you can say bitcoins is like the daddy coin of all cryptocurrencies. Just like most of the currencies in the world are today traded and quoted in dollars, most of the cryptocurrencies in the world are quoted and traded in terms of bitcoins. Now, because the value of Bitcoin is so huge, a Bitcoin is divided into smaller pieces, just like a rupee is divided into 100 paisa. One Bitcoin is divided into 10 raised to 8 satoshis.